Hello everybody, my name is Colin and in this video I'm going to show you the exact funnel I used to gain over 6 figures with affiliate CPA marketing. I will show you the funnel, how it works and how to set it up, and I'm going to give you this funnel for free at the end of this video. So this year alone I made well over 6 figures running sweepstakes on Facebook and Instagram, and I use this exact funnel. So first of all, let me show you how the process works. So what you see on the screen right now is the actual setup, how your funnel is going to look. So what I'm going to give you is step 2, the bridge page. With Instagram and Facebook traffic, you are not allowed to direct link to your affiliate offer. So you need to use a bridge between step 1, the ad, and step 3, the offer. That's why we're using step 2, a bridge page. A bridge page can either be an advertorial with information, some relative blog content, or what we're going to use, a quiz. Why are we going to use a quiz? Because it has the highest click-through rate and it can prep them for the offer. So at step 3, we can get some money. The bridge page is completely focused on bridging the traffic from step 1, the ad, to step 3, the offer. So why are we focusing on Instagram? Well, it has a relative younger audience compared to Facebook. It has a low CPM, the cost per 1,000 impressions, especially on stories. So that is a unique feature. If you run your ads there, you can get really cheap clicks. What I found is the best sweepstakes for Instagram story ads are gaming related, trips, so holidays, or car related. Win a trip in your dream car, like a Ferrari or Lamborghini, for instance. When we look at the Facebook traffic, it can still be very good because of the scalability. We run ads on Facebook newsfeed, images only. What you will see, it's usually a little bit of an older audience. What we target is usually 30 plus. Why? Because the lower ages don't convert that well. What you will see when I show you the actually bridge page templates, that the audience needs to be more engaged for it to be able to convert. The best offers we run on Facebook newsfeed are groceries, so win $1,000 to spend on groceries, also trips, and fashion related offers like for instance H&M or Primark. So now it's time to have a look at the actual funnel. As you guys can see, I made this funnel inside ClickFunnels, which is the software I use to host and edit the funnel. And as you can see in this funnel, I made 4 steps. You're only going to use one, so you can delete the other ones or just make a copy of this funnel. And I will tell you exactly how to do that. But you can see I made a Facebook example, I made an Instagram example, and I made you a template for both platforms. And I will also show you everything you need to know how to set it up and how to use it. So let's dive into the actual content. So what we're going to have a look at first is the Instagram example. What you're going to do is you're going to press edit page, and then a new page will open and it will look like this. This is the bridge page in the actual editor of ClickFunnels. What you can see here is first we start off with a clear headline. Win whatever they're going to win. So in this example, it's 500 euros PlayStation Store credit. Then it says, answer the questions below to qualify. And then you ask them the questions. So first of all, as you can see, you can change all these colors if you would like. But from experience, blue works almost with every offer that's available. So you can change the headline in the template. It will say exactly what you have to do and where you have to change it. As you can see at the bottom, these are the required documents. Each of the funnel templates has this, and this is the disclaimer for Facebook. It's not required. However, it's always good to have something in place like this so there's no issues. The background, as you can see, it's non-branded. However, this is very relatable to PlayStation users as it's like the icons of your controller. So if you press this, we can see the survey questions. So what I want to stress is Instagram traffic is really usually rather young and they don't have time. All they want to see is you've told them they can win PlayStation Store credit in this sense. They want to see what they have to do to get it. So you're just going to engage them by asking them Stupid easy questions. So you just ask them, how did you hear about this offer? Not because you want to know how they got it, because you know because it's from ads. But you just ask Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, or other. They will click Instagram, obviously, because that's the traffic they came from. Then we'll just ask, where are you from? Not because you care where they're from, but so they engage with the content, because when you send them to the actual offer, you want them to opt in so you get paid. In this scenario, I ran in Germany, and it was asking Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, or other. Just make sure once you edit this template that you always include the country where they're from, because that's better. As you can see, they're like stupid basic questions in this scenario, but we're not even saving the answer to the questions. All we want to do is we want to bridge them to the actual offer and engage them with the content. These questions are stupid easy, and that's just how it works. However, let's have a look at the actual template to see what you have to change to get this up and running. So what we have here is the actual Instagram template. As you can see, a lot of things are still empty, and that's what you have to fill out. The background, first of all, is right now, it's gray. You can keep it that way, or you can go to settings, background, click here, upload your image. And usually what I do is I just go into Google, I type in the keyword, so for instance, PlayStation, and then I do wallpaper because it fits like a computer screen, and then it fits perfectly. If you want to switch to the mobile view, because all the traffic we send almost is all mobile, this is completely mobile optimized. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So you put your headline here, win whatever you're going to promote. This just stays the same, answer the questions below to qualify, and then you just click here, click on edit survey options, and then you can see there's 4 fields here. Don't change anything. I'm not telling you to change. Why? Because everything is set up perfectly already. So you press here, relevant question 1. What you're going to do is you're going to edit this by just typing in the field, and then you're going to fill in your relevant answers. Do you want to remove answers? Just press the cross and then press back. Once it's changed, do it for relevant question 2 as well. I would recommend you to follow the template, follow the example, and just ask, how did you hear about this offer? Where are you from? Is the easiest. Second thing you have to change here is when you go to outcomes, the default outcome action is always the same. You put your affiliate link here, which you got from your affiliate network. So it has an instant page redirect. As soon as they press the last question, it shoots them to the affiliate offer. What happens in this scenario? If they do that, you have a successful bridge. So that's what you added in here. Make sure you save everything. So you edit the background, the headline, the survey questions, and you enter your affiliate link. Then all you have to do is put in your own documents in these 3 files. So your contact us page, terms and conditions, and privacy policy if you have. If you don't have them, then just link the ones of the offer owner. But I highly recommend you set up your own, because those are like the legal requirements. So once that is all set up, you press save. So it's saved again. And then we just have to change one thing, which is the SEO metadata. So what you do is you go here, SEO metadata, you press that, and then you insert your headline here. So you just copy the headline which you put in at the top, and you just put it there. So what will happen is people open it on desktop, it will call out here. So it says, this is the headline, win 500 euros PlayStation Store credit. And then it will set it at the top of the browser as well, which just makes it look fancy. So that's basically everything for the Instagram template. The Facebook template looks exactly the same. However, there's one big difference. So let's go and have a look. What you see right now is the Facebook template. As you can see, it's almost the exact same example as the Instagram one. However, there's one big difference, and that is in the questions. If you remember the slides from the beginning of this video, the audience on Facebook is very different behavior-wise than Instagram. So what we do is we actually change the engagement through the questions. So what happens, the click-through rate for your bridge page on Instagram on average is between 80 and 90%. On average for Facebook, it's less than 50%. So you're losing a lot more traffic, and that's why you need to engage them more. However, through the fact that they are engaged more, the conversion rate on the offer is also higher. So let's look. do you own a PlayStation? So instead of asking like a random question, how they hear about this offer, you're actually relating the question to the offer this time. Yes, no, other. Well, the other doesn't even make sense. It's yes or no. The second question is, what kind of games do you usually play? Action, shooter, fantasy, or other? So you're really getting them to think about the PlayStation, because the last question is, if you win the voucher, what will you buy? New games, downloadable content, PlayStation Live, or something else? So what happens is, in the mind of the person who's going through your funnel, is like, okay, they answer some PlayStation questions, their mind is in PlayStation setting right now. They know what they want. They're like, oh my god, this new game of Call of Duty is coming out soon. I need this real bad. So they want a new game, or they want like this crazy downloadable content for the game. Like, gamers are very passionate usually. So they think like, okay, if I win this voucher, what will I buy? And then you send them to the actual offer where they see like, oh, you can win if you just fill in your information and we'll pick somebody at the end. They are way more likely to convert. So that's the big difference from Instagram to Facebook. Facebook needs more engagement. So you need to ask relevant questions. If we look at the actual template, you will see here that there's actually 3 relevant questions. I recommend you do some brainstorming on this. Why? Because the questions are so important. If you notice that your click-through rate goes below 40% on Facebook, you need to change up your questions. The first question has to be easy. The last question has to be prep them for the conversion. If you need more information on this, go check out my Facebook group in the description. I would love to help you out with any questions you might have. But first, now I will show you how to actually copy the funnel so you can make some adjustments if you want to. So in your dashboard, what you want to do is you want to go to settings once you're inside your funnel. Then a new tab will load with all kinds of information. In this section here, the head tracking code, you put your Facebook pixel so you can actually track all the information required. What you do then is you press clone funnel and it will make a duplicate version of this funnel, so you can edit the templates, remove the old ones by clicking the X's, and only have one, what we call funnels tab, in there as a bridge page. So now let's move on to the fact of how are you going to get this funnel inside your account. And this is how it's done. I put a share funnel URL in the description down below, and through this unique link you can download this exact funnel. So I searched around the internet. I personally use ClickFunnels and 2 other landing page softwares which are way more expensive. So I thought, what would be the cheapest option for you guys to get started? And I found that the share funnel plan for ClickFunnels is actually the cheapest. So the ad you control, you have your Facebook Ads Manager. The bridge page has to be on a software, so you have to make a little investment. In this scenario, it's only going to be $19 a month after a 14-day free trial. So you have 2 weeks to test out the system and start earning some income. And obviously the end page would be the offer, which is provided to you by the network. It won't cost you a thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the link in the description to download the funnel. And this is what it looks like. So I put in the share funnel URL. It will load the page, and right here it will say, just pause the video, right here it will say sweepstake bridge page template funnel. So you know you have the correct page. You sign up here on the right for a 14-day free trial, and after that you can download your funnel. If you need any help setting this funnel up, or you have any questions, as I said before, I offer full support with any questions you might have in my Facebook community. So just join my Facebook group. It's also in the description, and you can ask any questions you might have there. Basically, the funnel I used and how you can get it. I hope it works for you. If you want to get the bigger picture, which is not only the bridge page, but also how to set up ads and how to get approved for offers, find the best offers available, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be putting out more relevant CPA content. And also, if you have joined my Facebook group, there's a mini course, a 3-step tutorial on how to join the network, how to create the bridge page with custom details and everything, and how to actually send traffic to the offer to make some money. Because that's what it's all about, earning some income to go full-time entrepreneur. I guess that's what we all want, and that's what I'm hoping to teach some of you by giving this valuable content. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.